Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make fried eggs with oil easy method. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a 10-inch nonstick pan over medium heat until it shimmers and moves easily. Crack eggs into a bowl, then slide them gently into the pan so whites spread evenly. Let cook undisturbed for 2 to 3 minutes for set whites and runny yolks, or flip briefly for over easy. Warm your pan and keep the heat steady to avoid browned or rubbery eggs, which happens with high heat. Use a thin spatula to slide under the egg close to the pan, then lift and flip in one smooth motion if you want over easy. Covering the pan briefly steams the top for a no-flip method that still cooks whites through while keeping yolks soft and creamy. Taste and simple tweaks make perfect fried eggs memorable. Try finishing with flaky sea salt for a satisfying crunch. Add chopped chives or parsley to brighten flavors, or sprinkle a little paprika for color and mild smokiness. Serve the eggs right away on buttered toast or over steamed rice so the warm yolk acts like a rich sauce, and enjoy while hot for the best texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.